A guy named Derek loved his gas station rewards card. Free coffee, free hot dogs, a station 2 minutes from his house. You know, all the perks. Well, what could possibly go wrong? About 18 months later, his Tucson was idling rough and throwing check engine codes. The diagnosis: carbon deposits caked across his injectors and intake valves. He'd saved maybe $60 in free hot dogs, all to be faced with a repair bill of $300. Here's what I couldn't tell Derek in time. Not all gasoline is chemically equal, even when every drop of it is perfectly legal. Federal law sets a bare minimum detergent level. Back in 2004, automakers, Hyundai included, decided that the minimum wasn't enough for modern engines and built a stricter voluntary standard called top tier, requiring 2 to 3 times the federal floor. Some of America's most beloved gas station chains never signed on, which means if you get this wrong for years like Derek, you're looking at rough idling, stalling, and a repair bill in the hundreds. Get it right, and it's one small habit that costs you nothing extra and can be the difference in whether your Hyundai coasts past 200,000 miles or starts fighting you at 80,000. Today, I'm walking through 7 gasoline brands you should absolutely avoid, and then the 3 brands that actually deserve your Hyundai's tank. Let's get into it. Brand number 7. Citgo. You know Citgo. I know Citgo. We all know Citgo. The brand has a long, recognizable history at the pump, and plenty of drivers assume a brand that's been around this long has earned automatic trust. Well, sorry to break it to you, but the reality is messier than that. Citgo's certification status has shifted over the years and varies significantly by region and individual station. Some locations carry top-tier certification, plenty don't, and there's no simple way for a driver pulling in off the highway to know which one they've found without actually checking the pump for the logo. This inconsistency is exactly the kind of situation that trips up Hyundai owners who assume brand loyalty equals fuel quality loyalty. You might fill up at a Citgo near your home for years without issue, then take a road trip and fill up at a Citgo 3 states over that's sourcing fuel from a completely different terminal with a different additive story. For a Hyundai GDI engine that depends on steady, predictable detergent treatment, that kind of regional game of Russian gasoline roulette isn't something I'd build a habit around. It's genuinely one of the more confusing brands to research online too, because you'll find owners insisting their local Citgo has always been top tier right alongside owners in a different state swearing the opposite, and both of them are probably right about their own station. That's inconsistency hiding behind a familiar name. The next one might be the single most surprising entry on this entire list, because it keeps winning awards for something that has nothing to do with your engine. Brand number 6. QuickTrip. QuickTrip has won USA Today's Best Gas Station Brand Recognition multiple years running, and if you've ever stopped at one, you understand why. Clean bathrooms, genuinely good food, friendly staff. It's the gas station experience most people wish every station offered. Here's what that award has nothing to do with. QuickTrip is not on the top-tier certified list. Some owners report the brand markets a vague, quality gasoline guarantee without ever actually claiming top-tier certification specifically, and there's chatter among regular customers that the brand may have been certified in the past and quietly stepped away from the program at some point. This is exactly the trap I want Hyundai owners in the Midwest to understand. A gas station can win every customer satisfaction award in the industry and still not be treating your fuel injectors the way your engine was engineered to expect. Loving the coffee and the clean restrooms doesn't tell you a single thing about what's actually blended into the fuel going into your tank. The stakes here aren't dramatic on any single fill-up. You know, nobody's engine seizes on the drive home. It's the compounding effect over 3, 4, 5 years of daily commuting on the same undertreated fuel that eventually shows up as a rough idle, a stumble on acceleration, or a check engine light nobody saw coming. That's a beloved regional favorite with a real certification gap. The next 2 names belong to the same conversation because they're both famous for the exact same reason, and neither one is on the list either. Brand number 5. Wawa and Sheetz. If you've ever driven through Pennsylvania, New Jersey, or Virginia, you already know what a Wawa or a Sheetz means to people in that part of the country. These aren't just gas stations. They're practically cultural institutions, famous for made-to-order food and a devoted fan base that will argue passionately about which one makes the better hoagie. Neither one carries top-tier certification though. Both meet all federal requirements and there's no indication the fuel is unsafe. But the same detergent gap that applies to every other brand on this list applies here too. I mention these two together because I hear the exact same reasoning from customers about both. I only fill up there because it's convenient and I like the food. That's a completely reasonable reason to stop for a sandwich. It's not a reason to trust your Santa Fe's fuel system to that pump for the next 100,000 miles without at least knowing there's a certified alternative nearby that costs about the same. I've had owners tell me they drove past 2 certified stations on their way to a Wawa, specifically because of the hoagie, never once realizing they were making that trade-off every single week without knowing it was a trade-off at all. 2 East Coast icons, 1 shared gap. The next one runs on Interstate's coast to coast, and truckers know its name better than almost anyone. A quick break. If you want to unlock everything your Hyundai is capable of, check out my Hyundai ebook. It's pretty much a longevity blueprint built around real-world oil and transmission maintenance schedules, cooling system care, turbocharger protection habits, GDI carbon buildup prevention, and engine-specific guidance. The exact system I use to help owners get their Hyundai to 500,000 miles. The link is in the description below. Brand number 4. Pilot Flying J and Loves. If you've ever taken your Hyundai on a genuine road trip, you've probably filled up at a Pilot Flying J or a Loves travel stop at some point. They're everywhere along major interstate corridors, built for exactly the kind of long-haul fill-up a road trip demands. Both meet federal fuel standards. However, neither one carries top-tier certification. For truckers running diesel commercial rigs, this is a different conversation with different standards entirely. This isn't about them. For you, a Hyundai owner running a modern GDI gasoline engine on a cross-country trip, it's worth knowing before you commit to these gas stations. This matters more on road trips than it does on your regular commute, specifically because road trip driving is exactly the kind of sustained highway mileage where a healthy fuel system matters most for maintaining fuel economy over hundreds of consecutive miles. A quick glance at a map app before you take the exit, checking for a certified station just a few miles further, is a habit worth building before your next long drive. I've seen Hyundais that consistently ran certified fuel on long hauls cross the 250,000-mile mark with nothing more than routine maintenance on the fuel system. No unscheduled injector cleanings or mystery misfires. That's not a guarantee tied to any single brand of gas. It's what a fuel system looks like when it's never had to fight years of undertreated deposits in the first place. And with that, I've covered the interstate giants. The next one might be the most surprising because of exactly how many of these you've probably already used without a second thought. And truth be told, I wouldn't blame you. Brand number 3. Casey's General Store. Casey's General Store has built a genuinely loyal following across the Midwest, ranking near the top of customer satisfaction polls year after year, largely thanks to its in-store pizza program becoming something close to a local legend in a lot of small towns. That reputation is well earned on the food side. On the fuel side, Casey's does not carry top-tier certification, placing it in the same category as several other beloved regional names on this list. A woman who brings her Elantra into my shop mentioned she specifically chooses Casey's because it's the only station in her small town, and she had no idea there was even a distinction to think about. When I explained the certification gap, her first question wasn't whether to stop going, it was whether she should start carrying a bottle of PEA-based fuel system cleaner in her trunk for the months she can't easily get somewhere else. That's actually not a bad compromise if a certified station genuinely isn't within reasonable driving distance. That's the real story behind most of this list. It's rarely a deliberate choice to skip certified fuel. It's just genuinely not something most owners have ever been told to look for, especially in smaller towns where options are limited to begin with. But what other choice do they have? With another hometown favorite out of the way, we're closing with 2 names you've definitely used, whether you realized it or not. Next up, brand number 2, Sam's Club Fuel Centers. Sam's Club often runs some of the lowest posted gas prices in an entire town, sometimes 10 to 20 cents cheaper per gallon than everything around it. And the lines at the pumps prove people notice. The lines at the pumps also prove that people either don't care or don't know that the brand is not top-tier certified. What makes this one worth calling out specifically is the direct comparison sitting right next door in the warehouse club world. Costco, Sam's Club's biggest competitor, is fully certified, using a Kirkland Signature branded fuel with independently tested detergent levels reportedly around 5 times the government minimum, according to Costco's own published testing. Same membership model, similar warehouse experience, similar bulk discount pricing structure, but only one of them backs its fuel with an independently verified standard. One tank at Sam's Club isn't a crisis for your Palisade or your Tucson. But if you're already driving to a warehouse club specifically to save money on fuel, and a certified option is sitting in the same shopping radius, that's about as easy a swap as exists on this entire list. You're not even changing your routine, just which pump you pull up to. That's one warehouse giant skipping the standard its own biggest rival adopted. The final brand on this list is the one that genuinely surprises the most people because of how enormous its footprint actually is. Brand number 1. 7-Eleven. With more than 13,000 locations spread across the US and Canada, 7-Eleven is probably the single easiest place in America to find a pump, no matter what city or highway you're driving through. That convenience has never been the issue. What's missing is certification. 7-Eleven has never carried top-tier status, meaning there's no independent confirmation the fuel is consistently hitting the enhanced detergent levels the standard was actually built around. This one closes out the list because it's the clearest example of the whole pattern running through every entry so far. None of these brands is doing anything illegal. None of them are automatically selling you bad gasoline. They're simply not participating in a voluntary program that Hyundai itself helped create specifically because federal minimums, written decades before modern direct injection engines existed, just stopped being enough. Well, that's the full 7. It would be cruel to just tell you what to avoid without giving any alternatives, wouldn't it? So let's flip this completely around, because there are 3 brands genuinely worth building a habit around, starting with the one that proves cheap and certified aren't opposites. Recommended brand number 3, Costco and Kirkland Signature, gasoline. This is the one I point Hyundai owners toward most often, because it completely destroys the assumption that quality fuel has to cost more. Costco's own gas operations director has publicly stated that their internal testing found the optimum detergent level sits at roughly 5 times the government minimum, well above the top-tier requirement itself, and that Kirkland Signature gasoline is formulated to that higher internal standard across every grade sold. Costco gas also routinely runs 20 to 30 cents per gallon below the surrounding branded stations in the same area, which means you're not paying a premium for the certification. You're often paying less. For anyone running a Hyundai membership household that already shops at Costco regularly, this is close to a no-brainer. You're already there for groceries. The pump is right on the way out, it's certified, and it's typically the cheapest gas around. You remember Derek from earlier? He actually switched to filling up at Costco after his $300 repair bill, and he's mentioned more than once that his fill-ups actually got cheaper, and he can feel the difference in gasoline with the way his Hyundai purrs. That's proof cheap and certified can coexist. The next one earns its spot by combining genuine customer service with the fuel standard to back it up. Recommended brand number 2, QuickTrip. I'm just going to start by saying this. Never confuse QuickTrip with a K with this QuickTrip that starts with a Q. This is the recommended brand, the better brand. You see, QuickTrip is the rare brand that manages to win on both fronts at once. It consistently ranks near the top of customer service and convenience polls, the same category where names like QuickTrip and Casey's earn their reputation. But unlike those two, QuickTrip is fully top-tier certified. If you've got a QT near you, that's genuinely the best of both worlds. A station people actually enjoy stopping at. Backed by an independently verified detergent standard, your Hyundai's fuel system was engineered around. QuickTrip's footprint isn't nationwide. It's concentrated primarily across the Midwest and South, but for owners inside that coverage area, it's one of the easiest certified options to build a habit around, specifically because the stations themselves are genuinely pleasant to use. A gas station that's both good to visit and good for your engine isn't something you find on this list very often. That's convenience and certification working together. The top spot goes to a name that might surprise you because it's not usually the flashiest brand at the intersection. Recommended brand number 1, Marathon. Marathon doesn't get the same spotlight as some of the bigger oil company names in this conversation, but it's been a fully top-tier certified retailer since the program's early years, with a wide footprint concentrated across the Midwest, the Great Lakes region, and the Southeast. What earns Marathon the top spot on this recommended list is the combination of consistency and accessibility. It's one of the most common certified brands you'll actually encounter driving through the exact regions where several of the non-certified names on this list, like QuickTrip and Casey's, are also concentrated. That matters practically, not just theoretically. If you're a Hyundai owner in Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, or the Southeast wondering whether a certified alternative even exists near your regular commute, the answer is very likely yes, and it's probably a Marathon. Reliable, unglamorous, and exactly where you need it to be. That's a combination worth more than a loyalty punch card full of free hot dogs. Sorry, Derek. Now, none of this actually helps you if you can't quickly tell certified from non-certified when you're sitting at a pump in an unfamiliar town. How to actually check before you commit to a pump. The official top-tier logo is a small, usually green sticker directly on the dispenser or the nozzle handle itself, and it's easy to miss if you're not specifically looking for it. If you don't see it and you're not sure, the top-tier Station Finder app is free. Pulls from the official licensed brand list and will show you certified options within a few miles of wherever you're standing. Genuinely useful for road trips through parts of the country you don't know well. If you're in a genuine pinch, a small town, a rental car return deadline, a mostly empty tank on a stretch of highway with nothing certified for 30 miles, one tank of non-certified gas isn't a crisis. The real damage comes from years of consistent use, not a single fill-up in an emergency. Keeping a bottle of PEA-based fuel system cleaner in your trunk for exactly these situations is a reasonable middle ground. Something I've recommended to more than a few owners in smaller towns where a certified station simply isn't a realistic daily option. Well, that's it. 7 brands without top-tier certification. Citgo's inconsistent regional status, QuickTrip, Wawa and Sheetz, Pilot Flying J and Love's, Casey's General Store, Sam's Club, and 7-Eleven. None of them are breaking any law, and several of them are genuinely great places to grab a meal or fill up in a pinch, which means this isn't a boycott list, and I'd still stop at plenty of these for a sandwich on a road trip. What they're missing is independent verification of the higher detergent standard Hyundai itself helped establish specifically because modern GDI engines need more protection than a decades-old federal minimum was ever designed to provide. On the other side, Costco with Kirkland Signature Gasoline, QuickTrip, and Marathon all carry that certification consistently, and none of them require you to pay a premium to get it. If anything, Costco usually saves you money while doing it. This isn't about Derek's story becoming your story. It's about knowing, the way he didn't for 18 months, that the gas station you've built a habit around might not be treating your Hyundai's fuel system the way its own engineers designed it to be treated. Check the pump next time you fill up. Look for that top-tier logo. It's a small habit that can be the difference between 200,000 smooth miles and a repair bill you never needed to pay. I'll see you in the next one.